channel Lotus Spirituality. In this video I am going to tell about what are you experiencing and attracting in your life. As usual, I have kept here 3 piles. This is pile number 1, the yellow flower. This is pile number 2, the blue flower. And this is pile number 3, the red one. Select any one of them to know what are you attracting in your life and what are you experiencing currently in your life. Okay, we shall start the reading now. Quickly you guys can pick a pile here. Pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. Select whichever you want and we shall know about what are you experiencing and attracting in your life. Okay, so let us start the reading without much delay. Keeping it aside, and we shall do the reading for this yellow flower. This with the Rider-Waite tarot deck, we shall know about what are you experiencing in your life. And okay, you can see here there is Ace of Cups, 8 of Swords and 5 of Wands, and the bottom of the deck is 7 of Cups. This shows that you have been through a breakup in your life. The people or the partner with whom you or your loved ones you were happy with, they have left you, I think, and you have been through a breakup. Okay, and now at present you are feeling has stuck in some situation, whatever it may be finance, your family issues, or career, whatever it is, it may be your love life, whatever it is, you have struck, you have broken up with your loved ones, and some fights is going on, some conflicts is going on. It might be with your partner or within yourself, or with the colleagues in your office, or with whomever it is, but some conflicts, some inner conflicts is going on in your life, and you have or you are facing you are in a stuck energy right now, and you are feeling like you are just okay. This was your reading, pile number 1, who had chosen this yellow color flower. Okay, so if you like the reading, if it resonates with you, please like, comment and share. Okay, thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality and my tarot. If you want a personal reading, you can email me or DM me in Instagram. Okay, thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality. Now let us move on to pile number 2, that is the blue color flower who has chosen. Let us see what are they attracting in their life currently and what are they experiencing in their life. Okay, let us shuffle the cards for pile number 2. Oh, for pile number 2, the people who has chosen this pile number 2, please tell me what are they attracting to and what are they experiencing in their life. Bottom of the deck. Ta-da! The cards are 4 of Swords, 10 of Wands, and the bottom of the deck is Page of Wands. Okay, as you can see here, I hope the cards are properly visible for you people, and we shall now see for the people who has chosen this blue color beautiful flower. Okay, what is going on and what are they attracting in their life right now and what are they experiencing what are they experiencing in their life right now. Okay, first of all I would say that you guys are planning, you guys are in pain very much and thinking about your past, what was going on in your life, and what have you been through in your past. You are thinking about the past and sleeping, lying down, thinking about your past, planning how to come out of this situation. You are taking rest, you are in rest mode, for taking rest and thinking how to come out of this situation. How can I come out? You're planning, you are thinking and thinking and thinking because you are hurt. Before, you were taking much more responsibilities and you were working very hard. You were thinking that all the responsibilities was taken up by you only because you were a hard worker. Okay, and from that it might be for this I can say you, it might be you have been through a breakup, or you have been through a financial loss, or something has gone on in your life and you know it better, take it as it resonates to you, and you are very deeply hurt, and that's why you are in this situation. If it is a breakup, then you are taking a space, you are taking a gap by your partner, or your partner is taking a gap and your partner is taking space from you. They want space and thinking about it, and it's better to be in a rest mode right now in this situation. In the past you were working very hard, I can see it, but you will definitely come out of this situation because your bottom of the deck is page of wands. Okay, and it the page of wands represents that you were in a search of your partner, if you were in a search of your job, or whatever you were in a search of. Mainly page of wands represent a young boy or a young girl. Okay, young boy looking for a young girl. Okay, I can see you might come across to a new what do you call new love in your life, or the old one will return you. I can see you a new one coming to you most of the time, but take it as it resonates to you because it is a journal reading. Okay, if you want a personal reading, you can email me or DM me in Instagram. Okay, and you will definitely come out of this situation, and you will do new things creatively. I can see page of wands is a creative energy. You might be very attractive and you might be very creative, or your partner with whom you are dealing or with whom you will deal in a future will be very creative and very attractive, fair in color. And as you can see here, this wand has a leaves, small leaves, you can see. No, this is a new life. That means you will start a new beginning after coming out of this situation. You will start a new beginning. Okay, I can say like that. So it's a nice pile, good pile, but right now you're facing some of kind of hurt, kind of pain, and thinking and thinking and thinking. Don't think very much. You are in a rest mode. Be in the rest mode, and just do planning, and you can come out of the situation very easily. I can see you. So this was it. Pile number 2, your reading was this, and I hope you enjoyed the reading. If you want a personal reading, let me know. Okay, thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality pile number 2. Now let us move on pile number 3. Who has chosen this beautiful red color flower? Okay, this is rose. I have made it. These flowers are handmade. Okay, let us know for pile number 3 what is going on in their life, what are they experiencing, what are they attracting in their life. For pile number 2, universe, what's going on in their life, what are they experiencing, and what are they experiencing, what are they attracting to. Pile number 2. Oh, So many cards. I'm not taking so many cards. So pile number 2. Bottom of the deck. Ta-da! Pile number 3, who has chosen this red color flower. What are you attracting in your life and what are you experiencing in your life? See, these are your cards. First one is Tower. Oh my god. Tower. Breakup. Separation. Page of Cups. A new lover is coming to you. New love is coming to you. New opportunity is coming to you. The Empress. If you're married, then your wife will be pregnant or will become or is a pregnant lady. Or if you are searching for a new partner, she might be in a age of who is older than you. And Death. Bottom of the card is Death. Death represents a old cycle is finished and new cycle or new phase of your life is to come. Is you will start a new beginning in your life and new cycle will start in your life. Okay, one cycle is already finished. That is your past. You had a massive breakup with your partner and you people were in a separation. One partner or one person is being cheated with another person. It may be you or it may be them. You know it better. Take it as it resonates to you. Remind or don't forget, it is a general reading. It may not be resonate to everybody. If it does, it's well and good. And after the separation, you were feeling some kind of bad energy or pain or hurt, something like that. And don't worry, you will come out of the situation or you have already come out of the situation. And you may be searching for a new love in your life and you will get your new love or new love is coming to you. You can see here Page of Cups, the fish. Someone will offer you their love to you, their cup to you. Okay, and you will the partner or the new guy or a girl, whatever it is, take it as it resonates to you. The new people who come to in your life will be very beautiful. Okay, and he will also be intelligent, fair in color, like that. Okay, one phase is already finished in your life and new phase is coming to you in your life. Okay, so it was it, that's it. And don't worry, all the best. I wish you all the very best for your future. And pray to universe and you will get whatever you want. And don't think about your past situation, what you have been through. Leave it. One cycle is already ended in your life. It was your past. Leave it. Come out of that situation. You can have a good time in your future. Okay, so this was it, pile number 3. It was a small reading for you people because it didn't have any much thing to say. Okay, this was it. And thanks so much for watching Lotus Spirituality. If you like this, please let me know. Okay, and this was your pick a pile. And thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality. And if it resonates to you, let me know. And in the next video, I'm going to come with another pick a pile which will be very interesting. Bye for now. Take care, everybody. Bye.